Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see Luke ML concept. Okay, so before saying Luke ML, we will see what is a Looker. Looker, which is a modern data platform in Google Cloud that lets you analyze and visualize our data interactively. We can use Looker to do in-depth data analysis, integrate insights across different data sources, build actionable data-driven workflows, and create custom data applications. Okay, let's see what is Luke ML. Luke ML, it is a Looker modeling language. It generates abstracted SQL and provides a modeling layer between the database and user. It is a Looker's owned language that provides an abstraction layer for SQL databases. LookML, which is a dependency language like make us opposed to an imperative language like C or Ruby. LookML provides predefined data types and syntax for data modeling. LookML syntax has a structure that is clear and easy to learn. We don't need prior experience with programming languages. Everything we need to know is documented, so we can see that in the documentation. LookML is independent of particular SQL dialects and encapsulates SQL expressions to support any SQL implementation. LookML, which is a language for describing dimensions, aggregates, calculations, and data relationships in a SQL database. Looker uses a model written in LookML to construct SQL queries against a particular database. Next, we are going to see overview of LookML structures. The hierarchy of LookML is structured using the following objects: projects, model, explores, view, dimensions, measures. So I have given the path link. You can go through the link, friends. So LookML consists of models, views, and LookML dashboards. That model contains explores and joins, and views contains dimensions, measures, field sets. Under the LookML dashboards visualizations. So we are going to see each and everything now. So first, what is a projects? So projects, which are libraries of LookML code, because Looker uses Git for version control. A best practice is for each project to map one to one with a Git repository. A project is composed of one or more models. Okay, next we are going to see about the model. What is a model? A model, which is a set of explores by business area or need. An explore, which is a set of pre-joined views for business user analysis. Each model contains one or more explores. Okay, next we will talk about a view. So we will talk about the explores later, friends. Now we will see what is a view. A view in LookML is a database table or a logical representation of one. Each view includes dimensions, which are database columns or logical representations of them, and measures, which are aggregate functions on dimensions such as a count or customers or a sum of cost. Okay, let me talk about the projects first. So we are going to see projects in detail. What is a project? So the highest level LookML object is the project. A project is essentially a library of code that typically maps one to one to a data source or a database connection. You can think of each project as an almost independent mini instance or microsome of Looker. Schemas that cannot be joined together usually reside in different projects because there is no relation to be made across the two datasets. This depends on our database dialect and database user permissions. A key concept to remember is if it is possible in your dialect SQL, it should be possible in Looker. If you can go to your database console and handwrite a select statement that does a thing, You can also code LookML so that Looker does the same thing. Next we will talk about the models. Models are the next level of hierarchy and content. Models contain data connection, information, and the definitions of explores. Models can be used to restrict user access to certain explores and separate and organize explores by business area. Next, we are going to talk about explores. Explores are comprised of one or more views joined together, usually to target a specific business question. Explores should be organized around business themes to minimize confusion for users. Next, we are going to see about views. Views are when you define dimensions, which are the data attributes, and measures, which are aggregations of dimensions. Think of views as tables that bundle related fields. There are few different types of views. First one is a standard view, second one is a virtual tables. So what is a standard views? Which abstract what's already in the database tables. Next one is virtual tables. It is known as derived tables. Next we are going to talk about dimensions. The lowest level of LookML object are fields, which can be dimensions or measures. Dimensions are created for any columns that are already in our database tables when the view files are generated from a table by Looker. We can also create additional dimensions that would serve as logical representation of table columns. These appear in the select and group by class of a SQL statement. They are the attributes that describes our data. Next, finally, we are going to see about the measures. Measures are aggregate that do not live explicitly in our database tables. They must be created in LookML. They aggregate dimensions into values like sums or counts. Note that they don't appear in group by statement of the SQL generated by Looker. Instead, they depend on dimensions to determine that grouping. So we are going to see about the LookML hierarchy recap. To recap, a project is a library of code that model a data source and should map one-to-one. Git repository. Projects contain model files and view files. So what is a model files? Which define the explores that should be packaged together and how those explores work. So model files which define the explores that should be packaged together and how those explores work. And what is a view files? View files which describe database tables or logical representation of them. So dimension and measures are defined within a view files. Projects can also include dashboards defined in LookML to prevent business users from editing them, maintain version control, and sync them across Looker instances if our company has more than one. LookML dashboards are not in the scope of this training, and there are other types of project files such as documents and manifest which are not in the scope. Okay, so we are going to talk about what is a project. So a project, it is a collection of LookML files that describe how our database tables are related to each other and how Looker should interpret those tables. Each LookML project resides in its own Git repository for version control. So what is a model? Model contains information about which tables to use and how they should be joined together. What is a view? A view contains information about how to access or calculate information from each table. What is an explore? An explore is often defined within a model file, but sometimes we need a separate explore file for a derived table. And what is a main manifest file? What is a manifest file? It can contain instruction for using files imported from another project or for our project's localization settings. So in this video we have seen what is a LookML and LookML concepts we have seen, and LookML overview of LookML structures which we have seen in this video. In our next video we are going to see the demo of LookML, friends. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.